This is a machine by centrifugal machine with the digital RPM and digital timer. This model has 8 tubes capacity into 1500 ml, and this rotor is an angle rotor which has a stainless steel outside tubes and plastic probe tubes. You can use your sterile for whatever you test. Whenever you have to do the test, one test here and another, you have to put the same quantity of water to keep it balanced. You can close it, see the push it, and you can open it. On the back side, there is a wire switch here. When you switch it on, there is a fuse inside. It's a main cable. When you have to close the lid, you can select the menu. The timer you can change, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute I am putting it. You can change the RPM, you can increase or decrease it 4000. I am just putting it to the maximum 4400. When you time set, and now I can start, press menu, start. You see this time is showing 1 minute and speed is coming. Maximum it will be 4400. You can use up to, see this. I can stop it. You can test it. I feel that the test has been done. Very easy to use. These are the tools to change the head. And please visit the website and subscribe to abron01@gmail.com and write to us an email. Thank you very much.